Everyone gather here.
You want no man here, you top chatter man.
Silent.
Oh God.
I heard of silent.
I'm asking everyone to just listen.
Yeah.
We are burying this goat today.
Yeah.
The richest goat in the family of Mr. Mushe.
Yeah.
Give him 100 and add picnic.
Yeah.
Dead with 3 enemies in his belly.
What's grandson?
About 3,000 grandson.
No,
About 2,000 great grand. So we are giving thanks. Dust to dust.
We're going to eat for the grandson.
Come they're coming.
Next Saturday they're coming.
One of the grandson.
That's the setup night.
No.